Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Oh yes, we moved. Welcome to our house tour. Let's start. I'm not going to be boring you with so much talk. Let's get started. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Welcome to a 3-bedroom house tour in the UK. I'm so orange. I'm sorry, just because I've been packing, so your girl is tired. Don't be offended. Okay, so here is the door. I wanted to do, you know how people will knock at the door and say, yes, come in, who is there? No, I'm not going to do that. Let's not do that. So when you come in, you come through the door. There's a small space here. So we'll keep our shoes there. I hope it's focused. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Okay, so when you come in, there's a heater. There's a heater there. There's a radiator. And then there's a switch. There's a nice light here. And then you come straight. There's a small cupboard just for jackets. There's a small cupboard where we'll hang our jacket, which is lovely, keeps house tidy. Then it's just at the door entrance. So when you come first to the right side, when you come through the right door, the first place you see is the sitting room. It's not so big. That's the problem with UK houses. They are so small. There's a radiator there, and that's my very ugly bag that I just came with. And there's a big, I don't know what they call this window. I don't know what they call this window. There's a big window there, very big, very big. Imagine having a very nice double curtain. Are you understanding? Are you feeling my vibe? Like, so, and then you come in. What I love about this property is that there's a separate dining from the sitting room. So this place that there's carpet, or we call it rug in Nigeria, it's just going to be the sitting room. You see, it's not so big, it's small, but at least we can manage that space we have. And when you turn right here, there's a very lovely, I don't know what this was supposed to be for, but do you know what I'm going to use this for? This is going to be my pantry. This is going to be my pantry. Yes. Thank you, landlord, for creating whatever this was supposed to be meant for, but this is going to be my pantry. And then you can shut the door nicely. Nobody's going to know what's there. So what I've planned for this sitting room is just to have not so big sofa, a sofa that is just small, tidy, TV, everything looking tidy. And then you come here. And I like the difference between this carpet and this, because you see, when there's food all over the floor, it's easy to wipe. So you can have your dining. So the dining table, dining chair will be here nicely. And I'm looking at getting a small deep freezer, you know, so that your baby girl can start buying things in bulk and storing in the freezer. Does it make sense? Don't worry, there's the backyard there, there's a garden. There doesn't much at the garden. So there's a garden, there's a small storage there. And of course, definitely there's a door to the back. And those are the waste bin stuff, which is nice. And then you come, so the dining area is just together with the kitchen. The kitchen is not so big, and I love the design. I love everything they've done here. There is the storage for the heater. And then there's a small cupboard down here, which is still empty because my things are yet to arrive. So they're just drawers. And then you've got your washing machine, which is not bad. And then you've got the sink. You've got a beautiful window over there. The cupboards are still empty. It's nice. We just arrived today. And then you've got your beautiful cooking gas with lovely oven, which is lovely. It's nice. And that is me. You see, this is my uniform I'm wearing. And then you've got extra storage. And then my landlord just got this fridge. He just bought this fridge freezer, which is empty and clean and beautiful. And then there's a freezer down there. She's small. It's not going to be enough. If you know, you know. And I don't know what is there. Okay, so that's what is downstairs. Basically, there's nothing much down here. It's just the sitting area, the dining area, the kitchen, and then you can go through the back. You can go through the back to the back garden. So coming back out through the door towards the main entrance, there's this staircase. You just go up, 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 up. Just directly opposite the staircase, there's a door that leads obviously to the bathroom, which is nice. I have our stuff on top of that place. Just a 3-piece bathroom. Okay, so that's the staircase down there. And then come the first door here. To the left is one of the rooms. The rooms are not so big. I don't know if you can see it. It will just take maybe king size bed. But the good thing about this property, why I like it again, is this wardrobe. There's a wardrobe. So if there's a wardrobe in your property, you know, it's easy. So you don't need, and it's a walking, look at, there's a good size walk-in closet here. There's a good size walk-in closet. So that's what I like about this property. There's a closet, so you don't need to bother. And then there's another huge one here. I know that's not supposed to be a closet, but we can utilize it for something, you know. So on both sides, there are places you can use as storage, which is lovely. I like it. So you can tuck in all your clothes. You don't need to expose your stuff. So all you need is just your bed, your lamp, or your bedside lamp. Just few decorations, your chest drawer, your telly, and those so basic stuff. You don't need to make the room too busy. And then the second room is just next to the first one, and also there's also a heater. Same size, it's not so big, but it's not too small as well. And this will be the boys' room, and there's another good size, and then there's a good size wardrobe in here as well, which is nice. See, it's okay. Where's the light? So I put on the light, and there's a good size room as well, and the wardrobe is there. So the other one is going to be our room. Luckily there's a TV connector here. I don't know if there's a TV connector in the other one. Let me check. Is there a TV outlet? No. It's okay. Then this is the smallest one. This one is so small. It's so small. The only thing we can do here is just my daughter's. This is going to be my daughter's room. And there's this thing. I don't know what that is. There's a good heater here as well. Her bed is going to be there. That's basically what's going to happen in this room. It's very, very small. And there's the light as well. The room is very small. So the third room is very, very, very small. But it's not too bad. So that's basically everything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please come with me on this my transition journey, and please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you again in my next video. Until then,